Hey there, future print-on-demand entrepreneurs. If you've ever dreamed of making money by selling custom products without having to stock, pack, or ship anything yourself, you're in for a treat. Print-on-demand or POD is the perfect business model for you. You get to create and sell awesome designs on t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more, while the POD platforms handle all the heavy lifting. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to earn $500 per week with POD. So if you're ready to turn your creative ideas into cash, give that like button a virtual high five. And don't forget to hit subscribe. You won't want to miss more fun, easy to follow guides to help you level up your income game. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Let's be honest, print on demand is a competitive space. But here's the secret. To make $500 per week, you need to focus on a specific niche. It's like choosing a corner of the market where you can be the king or queen. So, how to find your niche? Start with your interests. Are you into fitness, cooking, or tech? Find something you love because creating designs around it will be a blast. Check trends. Use Google Trends, Etsy, or Pinterest to see what's hot. Look for growing communities like eco-friendly shoppers or retro fashion lovers. Look for underserved groups. Try combining two passions like vegan bodybuilders or sci-fi pet lovers to narrow down your audience. The more unique your niche, the less competition you'll have. Pro tip: join Reddit or Facebook groups where your target audience hangs out. This way, you'll know exactly what they want and be ready to give it to them with your designs. Example. Niche. Let's say you choose inspirational tees for women in STEM. It's a growing community, and there aren't as many sellers targeting them, making it a great opportunity for you. Step 2. Create designs that sell. You don't need to be a professional designer to create amazing designs. In fact, some of the best-selling POD products have super simple designs. Whether you want to design everything yourself or hire help, we've got you covered. Easy-to-use design tools. Canva is fantastic for beginners, easy to use and completely free. You can create text-based designs or simple graphics in minutes. Placeit not only does Placeit have great design tools, but it also lets you create realistic mock-ups of your products, like t-shirts on models. Hire a designer? Not comfortable designing? No problem. Sites like Fiverr or Upwork allow you to hire designers starting at $5. Design tips? Simple is better. Bold, minimal designs often work best. A single impactful phrase on a t-shirt can do wonders. Stay on brand. Make sure your designs reflect your niche. For the women in STEM niche, you might use sleek, tech-inspired fonts with empowering messages. Trendy plus evergreen. It's great to hop on trends, but make sure you also create timeless designs that will sell year-round. Pro trick: browse Etsy or Redbubble for the top-selling products in your niche and take inspiration. Add your own unique twist to create something fresh. Feeling pumped about designing your own products? I told you it'd be easy. If you're still with me, drop a like. It helps this video reach more amazing people like you. And if you're vibing with the content so far, why not subscribe? Consider it your investment in free wisdom. No down payment required. Step 3. Choose the right POD platform. Your print-on-demand platform will handle everything from printing your designs to shipping them to customers. The right platform can make or break your business. So here's a quick guide to choosing the best one for you. Top POD platforms. Printful integrates with platforms like Etsy and Shopify. They offer high-quality products and handle everything from printing to shipping. Teespring, super easy to use. You upload your designs, they handle the rest. It's great for beginners, plus they offer marketing tools to help promote your products. Redbubble. You can upload your designs directly to Redbubble, and they do all the marketing and fulfillment for you. It's great if you don't want to create your own website. How to choose: check profit margins. Look at the base prices on each platform and how much you'll make per sale. Product variety. Make sure the platform offers products that fit your niche. If you're designing for women in tech, you'll want more than just t-shirts. Think laptop cases, mugs, or journals. Shipping times. Quick shipping is important. Customers will bounce if they see long delivery times, especially during holiday seasons. Pro trick: why choose one platform when you can use multiple? Upload your designs to both Redbubble and Etsy, giving you more exposure and a better chance of making sales. Step 4. Price your products for profit. Setting the right price can make a huge difference in your earnings. The goal is to make a solid profit while keeping your products affordable for your target audience. Let's talk about the pricing formula. First, we have the base cost. This is what the platform charges you, for example, $10 for a t-shirt. Next, your markup. Aim for a 30 to 50% profit margin. So, if the base cost is $10, price it at $20 to $25. And don't forget to check the competition. Peek at what other sellers in your niche are charging and price your products competitively. Now for some fun pricing strategies. Bundle deals are a great option. Create a deal like buy two, get one free, or bundle products together like matching t-shirts and mugs. You can also try premium pricing. Offer a premium version of your product with extra value like custom packaging or a personalized note. Here's a pro trick. Offer limited time sales or exclusive collections to create urgency. If people think a product is only available for a short time, they're more likely to buy. Pricing like a pro. Now don't go anywhere, we're just getting to the good stuff. If you're enjoying these insider tips, you know the drill, hit that like button. And if you're dreaming about that $500 payday, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any more golden strategies. Step 5. Promote your products like a pro. You've created awesome designs and priced them just right. Now it's time to spread the word and get those sales rolling in. There are tons of free and paid ways to promote your products. Free promotion ideas, social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are perfect for sharing your designs. Post regularly, use hashtags, and engage with your followers. Blogging or YouTube. Start a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche. For example, if your niche is women in STEM, post content about careers in tech while subtly promoting your products. SEO, optimize your product listings with niche-specific keywords. This will help your products show up in searches on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Pro trick, create challenges or contests on social media. Run a design contest and have followers vote for their favorite. The winner gets a free product, and you get tons of engagement. Paid promotion, Facebook and Instagram ads. Target audiences who are most likely to buy, like people who follow STEM influencers or pages. Pinterest ads. Pinterest is ideal for visual products. Run ads targeting users interested in tech or inspirational content. Google Shopping ads. Target people who are already searching for your products. Step 6. Track, improve, and scale. Once you start making sales, you'll want to monitor your progress and figure out what's working and what's not. What to track bestsellers. If a design is selling like crazy, double down on it. Create more designs that are similar. Conversion rates. If you're getting visitors but not many sales, you may need to tweak your product descriptions or images. Customer feedback. Listen to your customers. If they're happy, you're on the right track. If they leave feedback about issues like sizing or quality, make adjustments. Pro trick, run A/B tests. Test different product titles or descriptions to see what converts better. Sometimes a small change can lead to big results. Step 7. Scale your business. Now that you're making $500 per week, it's time to scale up and increase those earnings. Expand your niche. Once you've mastered one niche, try expanding into related niches. Add more products. If your t-shirts are selling well, try adding hoodies, tote bags, or phone cases. Outsource tasks. Hire a virtual assistant to help with tasks like social media, customer service, or managing orders. Pro trick, partner with influencers in your niche. Offer them a commission for every sale they bring in. It's a win-win. Boom, you're almost at the finish line. But before we talk about how to scale up to even more profits, let me hit you with a quick ask. If you're finding this guide helpful, give that like button some love. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more nuggets of wisdom like this one. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Final thoughts. Making $500 a week from print on demand is totally achievable, even if you're just starting out. With the right niche, killer designs, and a bit of marketing, you could be raking in sales in no time. The best part? It's fun, creative, and once you've set it up, it runs almost on autopilot. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get those creative juices flowing, start designing, and make some money. And before you go, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got way more amazing tips, tricks, and hacks coming your way. And hey, don't keep this wisdom to yourself. Share it with your friends so you can all rise together.